Ever wondered if you could conjure up a digital doppelganger of your favorite star? Today, we're diving into the fascinating, albeit ethically nuanced, world of creating celebrity-inspired images with Midjourney. The key to unlocking realistic celebrity likenesses lies in crafting incredibly specific prompts. We're not aiming for direct impersonation, but rather capturing the essence and distinct features that make a celebrity recognizable. Start by breaking down the individual's most distinctive physical attributes. Think about their facial structure. Is it angular, round, or heart-shaped? Consider their iconic hairstyle, its color, texture, and general length. Don't forget eye color and shape, the presence or absence of glasses, or any notable moles or dimples. Beyond the physical, consider their typical style. Are they known for a particular fashion sense? Classic, edgy, glamorous? Think about common lighting conditions associated with them, like dramatic studio lighting, or a soft, natural glow. You can also experiment with artistic styles who evoke a certain mood or era that resonates with their persona. To further refine your results, utilize negative prompts to steer Midjourney away from unwanted elements. If you're getting results that are too generic, try adding descriptors for specific expressions or moods. Think about what makes them them. It's an iterative process. You'll likely generate multiple variations, tweaking your prompts based on the outputs. The goal is to build a detailed profile through your descriptive words, guiding the AI to interpret those features. Remember, Midjourney generates interpretations, and while we're aiming for striking resemblances, it's important to be mindful of the ethical implications surrounding AI-generated likenesses. This tutorial is about exploring the creative capabilities of AI through detailed prompting, not about creating harmful deepfakes. Experiment, be descriptive, and happy creating.